Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be hanging out with one of my buddies, Quentin Schwartz. So his family has a farm too, Schwartz Farms or Schwartz Family Farms. And he's going to be doing some cultivating, or I don't know what they called it, but I'll be talking with him a little bit and he'll be on the camera too. So he'll teach a little bit more about the tractor and what they got there. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
What we'll be seeing is we are cultivating our fields after we chisel plow, because we chisel plow in the fall, and then in the spring we run this cultivator over it to leave a nice seed bed so we can plant a couple days after. So what we use is a John Deere 7920. It's around 200 horse. We're going about 5 miles an hour. And then behind it, it's a Glencoe 4300. It's 30 foot wide. It has disc gangs on the front to break it up, a bunch of shanks to spread everything out, and then behind it is a drag to smooth everything out in the end.
In audio.